Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So again I'm back with another pick a card reading. This reading will be you versus them. Long time I did not do this reading, so I want to do it today. And these 3 days I was very free and all my work is done. As a profession, I'm a teacher, so I can feel a little relaxation from past 3 days. So I'm free and I'm able to do readings back to back. Okay, so let's start. So this reading will be you versus them, what you're feeling, what they are feeling, and we will also see the outcome. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me to do more and more videos. And I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos, because I have many subscribers but views are very less. That means you are not able to get the notifications from my channel, so please press the bell notification. Okay, so this reading will be you versus them, and please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. So if you want personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. My email ID is given, so you can contact me. So let's start the reading, and we have 3 piles here. Pile number 1, this heart shaped key. Pile 2, this short and cute key. Then pile 3, the normal key. So anything, whichever key you are intuitively connected with, you can choose, and you can select the pile. If you need more time, then you can pause the video and you can select the pile and meditate. You can select the pile. Also, while I'm shuffling, so you can think about your person so that you can connect to the energies. Okay, so let's start the reading with pile number 1. Whoever chose this heart shaped key, this reading is for you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. You versus them. What is happening with my viewers and what is happening with their person, what they are thinking, what they are feeling. So let's see. Please tap into the energies and please give us some clarity. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some clarity. Okay, but I don't want so many cards. Spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. This is your energies. 9 of Wands, the Death, and Knight of Swords. Okay, these are your cards. Then we will see your person's cards. Queen of Pentacles, 3 of Swords, and 3 of Cups. Okay, these are your person's energies. Let's see. Then we will pull one outcome card at the end. Okay, so let's start. So you might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Strongly I feel Aquarius. Then your person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so these might be your person's signs. So take it however it resonates. So what you are feeling. Okay, so what you are feeling, and what is your current situation. So you are in a waiting energy. You are tired of waiting, but still you are defensive. You are very stubborn that you don't want to communicate with this person. You are still waiting for this person. You are sleepless nights. You are waiting obsessively, and you are waiting for whenever phone rings, then you feel that, oh, this person called, or whenever the text message comes, you feel that, oh, this person is messaging me. Okay, that kind of a waiting period you are in right now. And the Death card, so you feel that there is a death already happened, and you are feeling that some transformation should take place in this connection, and you are very hopeful that some transformation will happen in this connection. So you had very bad breakup, or almost your relationship is dead. Okay, so you blocked each other, might be. So no communication, you don't know what is happening in each of your lives. So you both are doing your own work, doing your own thing, but you are still waiting for this person, waiting for this person to communicate with you. And you want to take an action. Knight of Swords means action card, so you want to take an action towards this person. You want to you are expecting some action from this person. You are feeling that this person should come, like very fast moving energy you are expecting from this person. You want some action actually. So Knight of Swords means definitely it is a very fast moving energy, and Knight means it is, though it is not a long term action, but short term action. Okay, maybe you both can will talk to each other, you will meet each other. So because this is also action and traveling also, this person might be coming to you by traveling. So this person might come to you, and this person might meet you. So this is what you are expecting, and this is what might happen also. And just look at your person's current energies. This person feels that you are Queen of Pentacles. That means you are very wealthy, and you are very confident. You don't have any problem with money, you don't have any issues in your life. You are happy, healthy, and you are wealthy. And some people, you might be a single mom, okay, or a single mom or a single dad. So you that person, your person is looking at you like that. But right now this person is stuck in third party situation, heartbroken. Okay, so this person is not able to come to you, or this person is not able to come to the other person or go to the other person also. Definitely this person is for some people he is already married, he or she is already married, and otherwise they have the long term partner in their life, which they are not able to get rid of and come towards you. So now what they are doing, they left everybody. Okay, they left you, they left the other person. Now they are enjoying with their friends. Three of Cups. Okay, they are enjoying with their friends. Maybe for some of you this person is your already your childhood friend, or a mutual friend, or colleague, somebody like that. So this person is right now he's making himself busy by celebrating with friends. Maybe at times he or she feels lonely at night. They remember you, but they want to keep themselves busy, and they want to run away from these thoughts about you. Okay, so let's see one positive outcome, possible outcome of this relationship. What is the outcome? What are the mutual energies of this my viewers and their person? What is the mutual energy? One summation card please. What is the mutual energy? One card popped up. See, Devil. Okay, so Devil means the outcome will be both of you are obsessively thinking. This is not exactly outcome, but this is mutual energy. Okay, this is your energy, your person's energy, and this is mutual energy. So both are obsessively thinking about each other, and you both feel that you both are chained to each other. Nobody can separate you because they are not able to forget you, and you are not able to forget them. But because of this third party, or some addictions are there in your life or that person's life, you are not able to leave and move on. So this is what sexual energy, passion, obsessive thinking, sleepless nights. Okay, all these things will be devil's energy. Devil's energy is not a bad energy or negative energy every time, but this is what your mutual energy. Mutually, this love is not one sided. This is both sides. You both think about each other, you both miss each other, and you both have same feelings towards each other. Okay, so obsessively thinking about each other. So that's all I have for you, pile number one. Whoever chose this heart shaped key, then if you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell symbol for more notification from my channel. Okay, let's move on to the pile two. Whoever chose this cute key, so this reading is for you. The small, short, cute key. Okay, whoever chose this, let's see what are your energies and what are your person's energies. What are your energies and what are your person's energies, and at last we will see the mutual energies. Okay, so what is your energy, and what is your person's energy? What is your energy and your person's energy? So this is your energy. And let's see your person's energy. Okay, almost the same cards like pile number one, so you can see pile one also, because same cards popped up in pile number one also. This reading is similar. Okay, so I can see that for you, your energies, I can see that you might be Virgo or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, whoever is the viewer. and whoever is your person, let's see, there's they are also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is very very strong here. So that might be your signs, your sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign, anything. Please take it how it resonates. So you are like high priestess. Okay, high priestess means highly intellectual, intelligent, and you are educated. You have lot of maturity levels, but you are mysterious. You are not able to express your feelings clearly. Okay, you are not explaining however you feel, whatever you think, what is your future plan. Everything will be a secret. So you are not letting anybody know what you think and what you feel. So that kind of a mysterious energy I can feel from you. But you are very intelligent person, and you might be a little older also, a matured person I can see with high priestess. And always you follow your gut instinct. You are not following whatever happening right now, but you feel that whatever your gut says, whatever your intuition says, you follow. You are highly intuitive. Okay, so you follow your instinct, whatever it says, you follow that. Then Knight of Swords. So you want this person to move towards you, is a Knight of Swords, and you want to have some action in this connection, and you want to have new beginning in this connection. Ace of Pentacles. So this Ace of Pentacles might be some maybe you are looking for a new job, and you will get very soon a new job, because this is new beginning, not in the love life. It is business, money related, or career related. Already you might have got a new job recently, or you are looking for a new job or trying for a new job. You want to do something change in your career. Okay, or for some people you want to start a new business, new venture. Okay, so already maybe you might have started already new business, or you are going to start a new business and you are planning for that. That is what it shows, that Ace of Pentacles, that means new beginning, new start. Now, but at the same time, back of the mind, you are thinking about this person not so obsessively, because you have your own things to do. You are well educated and well settled in your life, and you have your own works to do. But definitely you will miss this person every day. Okay, so let's see this person's energies. This person is juggling with two things. Okay, this can be two things or two people. Okay, and this person is not able to take any decision, but they know that you both are soulmates, and they have this positive feeling towards you. Okay, that is not a negative feeling. But the problem is there is third party. This third party from your side also, from that person's side also. Maybe you are married, and you are into third party situation, or this person is already married, and they kept you in third party situation. So they actually, this is coming from the other person's side. That means they are thinking that you have already somebody else in your life, and they see you as a Queen of Pentacles. That means you don't have any problem with money, finance. You are well established, stable person, trustworthy family person. And for some of you, you might be already having children. You are a single mom or a single dad, so they see you like that. You are a very beautiful, kind hearted, affectionate, compassionate, and very like wealthy person. You don't have any problem in your life. Okay, you are wealthy. That is how your person sees you. So now let's find out what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy, spirits? What is the mutual energy? Whoever chose this key, pile 2, what is the mutual energy between them and their person? What is the mutual energy? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What is the mutual energy of both of them? Okay, Justice. So this is what the mutual energy. So both of you want a justice in this connection, and some people are maybe going through a divorce, whether it is you or your person. Some people are going through divorce. Okay, so and you want justice in this current situation. So until you get away from the third party, you can't come together. So this is what is the mutual energy, and you need the justice in this connection. It is related to legal cases. It may be divorce or something like that, or child custody. So some legal cases going on for one of you or both of you. This is the mutual energy. Or the other person wants you to get divorced and come to them, or you you want them to do this. Okay, they take it however it resonates. That's all I have for you, pile number 2. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Okay, now let's see the third pile. Whoever chose this key, this reading is for you. Let's start the reading. You versus them. What are your feelings, your energies, and the other person's energies? What are your energies and your person's energies? Spirits and angels, please guide us. Please give us some guidance and please give us some clarity. What is happening in their life? What are their energies? So these cards are yours. I'll pull one more card. Let's see your person's energies. Okay, so these are all the cards I have. So for whoever is a viewer, I can see that you might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But I don't know, suddenly I'm about to say Aquarius. Maybe some people are Aquarians also. So these are the signs of the viewers. Then your person's signs are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, I can see all of them. So let's see. So you had a tower moment. This tower moment can be in any area of your life. This might be in your job, career, or in this love relationship. Okay, something happened between you, and because of this you are walking away, or already you walked away, because 8 of Cups is there. So you already walked away because of the tower moment. Maybe you came to know regarding your third party, or maybe you came to know some secret about this person, so you left the connection. So they did not leave, but you left this connection. So you voluntarily, you wanted to leave this person and go away. But the thing is, you are still waiting something to happen, because you sowed your seeds and you are waiting for the harvest. Okay, you are waiting for the fruition. So you feel that this connection is precious for you, that person is precious for you, but something happened between you, the tower moment happened between you, and you left this person, you left this connection. Maybe for some of you it is divorce also. Maybe for some people they got divorced from this person, but still you have in the back of the mind, you think about this person and you wish that something happen, should happen, and you both meet each other. But maybe 7 of Pentacles means maybe you invested somewhere, and you are waiting for the money to come back to you. Okay, waiting for the results. You gave some exam and you are waiting for the results, or you applied for some job and you are waiting for the appointment letter, something like that. You are into this energy right now. So look at your person. So your person is waiting for you very passionately, and they are sad also. They have other options, but still they are holding on to your connection, and they are long distance. This is long distance connection. They are not near to you. This is long distance connection, and they are heartbroken. The 10 of Swords means they feel that this connection is ended already. So your middle card also is walking away, and this your person's middle card also is ending of the connection. So something really bad happened, and everything ended so abruptly, so which made this person to be in lot of pain. So 10 swords tapping at the back. So this person is feeling that much pain right now. They're not able to heal from this bad ending in this connection. Still they are trying to heal. They are trying to forget, but they are not able to forget this connection. So now 8 of Pentacles means they are working hard. Actually they are working hard, maybe because of this divorce or ending of the connection. They lost so much money, or they lost the reputation, or they lost job. Okay, now they are building from scratch. They are starting from scratch. They are trying to get new job or start new venture business. Okay, sorry. So they are working on their pentacles. They are working very hard. Okay, and also on this connection, they are working on this connection also. They are trying to reconcile with you, and they are searching for ways and means how they can come to you. They are working hard on this connection. Okay, so now let's see the mutual energies. What are the mutual energies, Spirit? What are the mutual energies? Okay, one card popped up. Okay, the Magician. So definitely both of you are manifesting each other, and you have all the capacity that you can manifest this person, and you are sometimes you might use some tricks also to get them back, or they might use some tricks to get you back. but the overall is you both are manifesting each other. You both want to be together. This is the mutual energy. Okay, so you are waiting for some miracle to happen, and you both come together. So you both want the same thing, and you both are manifesting each other, and you both are waiting for each other. For this third pile, I can see the energies are same. Okay, this is these energies are similar and same between both of you. Okay, this is what I can say for pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol to know more notifications. Like, share and subscribe once again, friends. Thank you so much. Until the next reading, bye.